In this video, I show you how to convert a Facebook account to a professional account. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. Open Facebook app and tap on your profile photo. And here you can see I have 605 friends. Now tap this three dots icon. Next tap turn on professional mode. Now tap turn on. And tap next. Now tap done. Tap done again. Now go to your profile again. And you will see it is not showing friends anymore. Instead, it's showing followers. That means my profile was converted to a page or professional account. That's it. This is how you can convert a Facebook account to professional account. I hope the video helped you. Please like the video. It helps me out. Thank you.